Hi everyone. Something that's come out of the work we've been doing on Xmere over the last few weeks has been obviously the ability to run Xorg applications on Mir and therefore on the phone. So something we played around with a little bit and I'd like to quickly show you just for fun is the ability to control the X applications running on your phone from your desktop via VNC. This came around because we've got a few input stack issues in Xmere still, and we were looking for ways to bypass Mir and just poke input events straight into Xorg itself. So we thought maybe X11 VNC would be able to help us, and lo and behold, it does. So what we've got is a simple desktop file. Hopefully you're able to see that, which just gives it a name and some few comments and that sort of thing. I just copied this from another .desktop file, so there's probably some legacy stuff in there. But the important thing is that the icon is the LibreOffice Writer icon, and then it calls this script writer.sh in my home directory and passes in :1 for the display number. So if we look at the this script here, the writer script, we can see what's in it, which isn't very much. So we pass in a display number, we start Xmere, we point it back at the desktop file, and we pass in the display number and we put it in the background. Then we just have a little snooze to give Xmere a chance to get going. Then we set the display number, and then we call LibreOffice and we pass in the name of the document that it's going to run, and we put that in the background. And then last we run X11 VNC. Now all X11 VNC and LibreOffice were just installed onto the phone via apt-get, so anybody can do that. So if we run that from the phone then, which is down here, I'll click on the icon, which will then run that script. It's just starting up now. And now it's running on the phone, which you can't see because it's out of shot. But what we can do from here is run the VNC client. I've got a connection set up here, which is just to the host name, port 5900. And there it is. It's in here. So now I can interact with this as if it was a native application. It's a little bit slower because it's going over Wi-Fi. And we haven't got any window management on here, we haven't got any session management. This is just pure X session, but you can see it works. I could create a new document, new text document, which opens up. So it actually opens in a new window, but because we haven't got any window management you can't see it. But I can now type in here, mash the keyboard a bit, but you get the idea. So you can see I can type in here, I can access the menus. It's gone a little bit with a go slow. So there you go. Yeah, it works. It's a bit Heath Robinson, but it's a bit of fun. You can now run X applications or any applications really that run within X from your phone, and then connect to them via your desktop.